It is the next day, and Corbin has plans.
Hello.
What you doing?
Gonna put on the stuff.
How about a more detailed explanation?
Yeah, we need to unbox the stuff first.
It is a bit less cold here than
Before.
like, what was that, 2 weeks ago?
Yeah, it was freezing. The manual.
Manuel.
Oh, for the bushings. Door bushings.
Door bushings. Door stops. So what else is in there?
Uranus Roadster.
Uranus Roadster.
Oh god.
Nice. So, door stops.
Yes.
Does this aid in performance?
It does.
Or how? Are these performance door stops?
From what I've read is the OEM ones are a bit smaller, and when they install this, they say the door is stiffer and it feels tighter. So for track cars they prefer to put the
Oh, so it actually does something,
yeah.
according to people on the internet.
Yeah,
Which is always very trustworthy.
it adds stiffness.
Oh, you want to take it off? Well,
Yeah.
taking that off was faster than me changing the GoPro battery.
Yep.
So is it crusty under there?
It's okay.
Okay. Are they plastic or rubber?
Uh,
Oh, these are like hard.
Polythene, what was it called? Polythene.
These are like hard as hell.
It goes inside of the thing though.
Ah. I will leave you with Corbin here while I get us some coffee. Corbin, best of luck to you.
Wow. Okay, just fitted it in over here. So let's see if the door shuts, or else I have to sandpaper it as recommended. But it's quite a thunk. Tight as fuck.
So, here's your coffee.
you.
So the sort of bracket where the polymer block goes in was a bit crusty, so maybe if we clean that up a bit. We clean it up a bit, it's still stiff, so we're gonna grease it up. Okay, open and close it a couple of times. It won't even close. Is it helping?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, it's definitely easier than it was before. Alright, we're taking a coffee break. Corbin is asking ChatGPT if the door...
Bushings actually works. So now, short answer sometimes, but not always.
So it's... No answer.
Yes, door bushings can make a noticeable improvement, mainly reducing door rattles and making the car feel slightly tighter. Whether you notice it depends on how you drive it and what you expect.
Well, you drive slow as hell, so you won't notice it.
No, if my door rattles at like highway speeds, and now it doesn't, so I notice it.
I still don't see how this is gonna help us do skids, but whatever. Is it good?
Actually, this side is smoother than the other.
It's probably because this door has been opened quite a lot less than the door on the other side, so the hinges are probably in better condition. So, door, block, things installed.
Yes.
What's next?
We can install the easy bits now. The tank cap.
Fuel tank, fuel filler, cap.
So I don't know how this works.
This is the whole part.
Yeah. Or just go on top, maybe.
Does it even fit if it goes on top? Don't fit.
Great.
Did you buy the right thing, Corbin?
Except so.
Kowalski analyze. This top bit is apparently loose. Maybe if you remove that, you can stick that on. Did you get any instructions with this, Corbin?
No. Maybe ask YouTube.
It smells of gas. But that was to be expected. So did you actually have like a thought when you ordered this, or did you just order some cheap shit that said Mazda on Temu?
It's not on Temu. We'll be right back.
So we did the research, and apparently Corbin's Temu carbon fiber
It's not Temu, dude. Jesus Christ.
fuel thing, it doesn't fit.
Because my
So-
fuel cap is too high. Maybe I have to get a new one, or I just leave it like that. I got this as well. Wow.
What's that?
Tire gauge probe. I think last month I put it 2.2.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
2.19?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's good. Is this the next modification?
Next modification.
Wow. Wow. Valve cap covers.
Oh, this is pretty nice.
What does it say under?
MX5.
MX5. I have to say, this has to be the most boring mod ever done to a car. Okay, so now for the Ken Auto high quality rear stabilizer part. Doesn't say what part, it's just some part. What is this, Corbin?
This brace should go like here, underneath the car.
So
I
why
think-
does this need stabilization? For skids?
Yeah, I think for future stuff, one of the nicest upgrades you can do without getting coilovers if you upgrade the sway bars.
Yes. But it doesn't lower your car, and your car is definitely sitting too high. So that will need fixing as well.
Yeah.
But for now, this kind of stuff is nice. So here we have the Ken Auto by IL Motorsport strengthening bar of power thing. Placing this like so will add strength, I guess. So, bolts in. Ah, there's crap falling in my eye.
Oh god, why is it? It's a bit finicky. Holy shit.
Just put it on, Corbin.
Yeah, it's on, but then I have to thread it in, right?
Yeah. How is this copper grease plant-based? It says it on there.
If it's copper.
It's plant-based. How can this be plant-based? And why in God's name would you even want
Okay, it's in
it plant-based? Corbin, tell me that.
because it's vegan.
You can have a Nutella sandwich. You can have a nice copper paste sandwich.
Oh, there's stuff in my eye. Great.
So I'm gonna put the nut in here like this, hold it behind the hole, and then I'm gonna try and thread in the bolt. You can see the nut is behind there. A spider or some sort of bug has made a little nest in there. So let's just leave him alone, and that'll be a nice surprise for Corbin. Good start.
Bro, this is yeah, but this fucking thing, dude. How the fuck am I supposed to?
Alright, so that's gonna be pretty much all we're doing today. Power bar, we did, what else did we do? The valve caps and the door.
Door bushings.
Yeah, so that's gonna be it. The mid pipe is gonna be after Corbin's MOT.
Because Melian does say it's ECE certified, but I just don't want to risk it. Let's say I put it on now and then it doesn't go through certification, then I have to take it off again, so it's only 1 month, so screw that.
So how about we get some lunch? Some Hamkas ham and cheese croissants. Alright guys, see you in the next video.
See ya.